Namaste. Welcome to Blishon Concept Teaching. Today we are solving the problem of class 10th NCERT syllabus and it is of the lesson pair of linear equation in two variables. Exercise 3.3. In third main we are solving the fourth question. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with a charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105 and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? First, let the fixed charge be x. Solution. Let the fixed charge be x and let the charge per kilometer be y. Charge per kilometer be y. Look at the first situation. Read this sentence. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is 105. For this sentence, let us write the equation. Okay. Here, the customer, he has to pay a fixed charge. That is x. Then, how much kilometer he will travel? For that he has to pay the amount. The customer, he travels 10 km. Therefore, 10 into charge per kilometer, that is y. X plus 10y. Total how much rupees he has paid? He has paid 105. That is x plus 10y is equal to 105. Consider this as equation 1 and look at the situation 2. For a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 155. Say the customer, he has to pay the fixed price. We have taken it as x plus he will travel 15 km. Therefore, 15 into y, that is charge per kilometer, is equal to total how much you will pay? 155 rupees. We got these two equations from the question. Now consider equation 1. Consider equation 1, that is x plus 10y is equal to 105. X is equal to 105 plus 10y. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 10y. 10 into y. We got the value of x from equation 1. Now let us substitute the value of x in equation 2. Okay. Let us substitute in this. We got the value of x from equation 1 and we are substituting it in equation 2. So consider equation 2. Consider equation 2 and substitute the value of x. Equation 2 is x plus 15y is equal to 155. This is our equation 2. Now in this, let us substitute the value of x. X is equal to 105 minus 10y. So in the place of x, let us write 105 minus 10y. For this plus, let us write plus 15y is equal to 155. 105 minus 10y plus 15y minus plus means what we have to do? We have to subtract. that is minus 10 plus 15 is plus 5y is equal to 155. 5y is equal to 155 plus 105. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 105. That is 155 minus 105 is 50. Y is equal to 50 into 5. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 tens are. Y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10. Now our intention is to get the value of x. Now you can substitute the value of y in any of these three equations. See here. First we have written these two equations, right? Equation 1 and 2. And afterwards we got this equation x is equal to 105 minus 10y. Now let me write this as equation A. To get the value of x, you can substitute the value of y in any of these three equations, 1, 2 or in equation A. It is of your choice. I will substitute in equation A. Okay. Substitute y is equal to 10 in equation A. That is x is equal to 105 minus 10 into y. That is our equation A. X is equal to 105 minus 10 into y. The value of y is 10. X is equal to 105 minus 10 into 10 is 100. 105 minus 100 is what? 5. Now we got the value of x and value of y. Now let me explain this. Now look at these two equations. X plus 10y is equal to 105. X plus 10y is equal to 105. And from the solution we got the value of x as 5 and value of y as 10. Since it is rupees, so let me mention in the rupees. Okay. That is, the customer, he has to pay 5 rupees as a fixed charge. Once he get into the taxi, he has to pay 5 rupees. That is fixed. Okay. But the customer, he will travel 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers. So, how much money he has to pay? 10 into 10. For 1 kilometer, we got 10 rupees. But how much the customer has travelled? 10 kilometers. Therefore, 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is 100. Therefore, total amount paid by him is 105. This 105, it includes both fixed charge and charge per kilometer. Now, let me explain the second one. See here, x plus 15y is equal to 155. He has to pay fixed price 5 rupees. But how much kilometers he will travel? 15 kilometer. That is 15. For 1 kilometer 10 rupees, right? Then for 15 kilometers how much? 150 rupees. Then total amount how much he has to pay? 1, that is fixed price, 5 rupees plus 150 rupees because he has travelled 15 kilometer. Total how much he has to pay? 155. Right? This is the meaning of the question. Now let us solve the second part of the question. How much does a person have to pay for travelling a distance of 25 kilometer? See here, the second part of the question is how much he has to pay to travel 25 kilometer. He has to pay the fixed charge. We have taken it as x. and charge per kilometer we have taken it as y. The meaning of y, it is nothing but charge per 1 kilometer. But here he travels 25 kilometer. Therefore, it will become 25 into y is equal to how much? The value of x we got as rupees 5, right? That is fixed charge 5 and charge per kilometer is 10. That is fixed charge is 5 plus 25, charge per kilometer is 10. 5 plus 25 into 10 is 250. 5 plus 250 is 255. Total he has to pay 255 rupees to the taxi to travel 25 kilometers. Let me explain this. Here, the meaning is like this. If a traveler, if once he get into the taxi, he has to pay the fixed price. Whatever it may be a short distance. Once he get into the taxi, he has to pay the fixed price. We got it as rupees 5. Okay. Then he has to pay the charges per kilometer also. Means for 1 kilometer we got 10 rupees. But he travels 25 kilometers. Therefore, it will become 25 into 10. That is 5 plus 250. Then he has to pay 255. 200. Take a complete view of the solution.